What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if I mentioned it before on here, but this build, the Supra build, is kind of off. I'm not building the Supra anymore because the person I bought it from wanted to get back into drifting, and instead of me trying to find all the parts to put this car back to stock to make it a street legal car and all that, I decided to just sell it back to him. So it's kind of like a flip or whatever. And then I got something else. So today, this is what you're going to discover is the car that I picked up as my new project car. The Supra is no more. It's probably the last time. It won't be the last time you see it in the garage because it'll be here for a little bit, then it'll get taken out and it'll go back to its original. So here it is. Here it is. If y'all know me before, know I had Evos before, so I'm kind of going back to my roots. This one had like a little white body kit on it. Doesn't have an engine or a transmission. Did have an intercooler, looked like an ETS or something like that. Headlights are there. I need some tail lights. I got a lot of little stuff that I need to get. Interior's almost complete aside from the front seat, so a lot less stuff than I would on that car that I'd have to get for this car. So this is why I'm choosing to go with this build instead of the Supra build. But this should be fun. This should be fun. Like I said, it's been sitting for a while. You see it's dirty. It's a lot of dirt. I tried to rinse off most of it before I got it into the garage. We do have, I think this is the Virus body kit on it, which actually looks kind of clean. I'm gonna leave it. The wheels with some Wedge Sports, which is pretty good. Some SA6DM, I guess. It's pretty good. AP Racing brakes. Got a lot of stuff on it. I got the drive shaft for it. The rear diff is on it. So a lot of the expensive parts are on it. Just minor little things that I need to pick up for it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this. Also, it came with a titanium exhaust, a full titanium exhaust, as y'all can see. So that's a lot of money by itself. Still have the gas tank, some TN coilovers. So everything is pretty solid on this car. Here it is. It look rough. Like it look rough, it might look rough. But compared to this, all it is some clear coat peeling. I zip tied this down, so I ain't gonna pop this right now. But come on, man, you can't tell me this ain't in a lot better condition than the other one. I'm gonna get rid of these mirrors. I don't like them. I'll probably sell them. Somebody that want them, I'll trade with somebody or something. Like I said, the clear coat been peeling. Roof is wrapped. I don't know if I want to leave it wrapped or not. I gotta take the back window out because that's shattered. Interior itself, look. It's in pretty good condition. Everything is here. Shit, we even got a screen in this mug. We got some other shit down there. The TN. No, this is a banging suspension. Got all this stuff from under there, over here. Got all this stuff from underneath the dash over here. I don't know what this is. Look like a little antenna. The CompuStar thing. Antenna for something, but I should even have parts for this car, man. The headlight thing to go up and down. I don't know what's in here. Dang, old iPod hookup. That's how long this car's been. That's the hookup to the old iPods. You can't see it right there. It looked like a Cusco. Oh, it's a Sparco roll bar in there. It is a sunroof model. Probably get it detailed. I get the interior, all the interior back. Man, it's cracking, bro. We got just a lot of wires to deal with, but we'll figure that junk out. You got this little cool little shift knob. It's not in bad condition. Like all this could be put back, but the interior is in pretty good condition, man. I'll be able to do this build quicker than I would the the other build, the Super build. Yeah, like I said, got some wedge sports. I might get them repowder coated. I don't like the blue in there. That's if I keep them. I might go with some Yankees or something. It'll clean this up, fix everything that's broken. It'll go quick. I know a lot of people in the Evo community. This kit, like, I'll make a post tonight and start looking for stuff. Like I said, full titanium exhaust all the way under. Goes all the way. Got the JDM rear bumper. It's a couple $100 itself. See what's in the trunk. Damn, trunk just like flew open. Oh, you got the battery back here in the trunk. That's probably dead. Look like they had a subwoofer or some shit back there. Yeah, that ain't none of that gonna be in there. You cease and desist all of that. Like all the TN stuff. Man, that's the suspension alone is probably worth what I paid for the car. And this was a pretty sweet deal. What I paid for this car. Drive shaft is in here. Looks like just half of the drive shaft. Where's that the? I can't remember if the Evo drive shaft is two pieces or one. There's the other axle. Take this board out. Have a cabinet that's in there. Stuff you find in cars you buy, man. I don't know how this is supposed to fit down in there. Let me see right quick. Well, this don't fit in here with the battery like that. Or at least I can't get it to fit, so I'm gonna just leave it. But as you can see, back window is shattered. I'm gonna have to get a new back window. This need a good cleaning. Need some tail lights. Need a trunk thingy, trunk lock. But other than that, man, the body is in super dope condition. Body is super clean. If I do decide to change the color, it's not a lot of body work to be done, you know. I need a dash. Everything's here. Pedals. I need front seats, which I could probably find quick. I'll make a post tonight for a few stuff and see what I come up with by midweek. Also, the yellow MR2 that I have, I'm going to be selling that. I'm leaving here within the next couple weeks, probably like within the next week. I'm leaving. Got deployment, so I'm probably gonna leave it. Not probably. I am gonna leave it with Toyonda. He's gonna be selling that for me. So I'll make a post, or the video that you guys see prior to this one, make sure y'all contact him. I'll have his contact information, his website information. Y'all can shoot him an email, and y'all can get all the info you need on that car. You can hit my Instagram, but I probably won't get back with you right away. I'll be working on stuff to deploy. But hit him up and he will get right back with you with all the information. He helped me put the car together, so it was a build that I was gonna do just to have some fun. Deployment, all my stuff got moved up, so that's why I'm gonna get rid of that car as well. But this car right here, as you guys know, I've had an Evo before. It was like my car that got away. I wanted another one for a long time. And 2 bands ain't bad for a complete, almost complete rolling shell Evo, clean title, all that. So a lot of work to be done though. You guys know how I do. See what I did with the MR2, and give me a few weeks, maybe a year. I'll have everything when I get back from deployment, put it together, you know. But like, share, subscribe, come back, check me out. Peace.